What? Oh my goodness! Wow! Wait. Wow! Hello there, I'm KBCSensei, but today you can call me KBZ. This is because today we have this literally little PC right here. This is the ROG Z11. You may wonder, why is it so small? Well, it's a Mini-ITX chassis and it is supposed to be smaller than your usual huge gaming PC. If you guys are not really familiar with the different form factors, you may see there are different types of PC sizes that you can build from. So as you can see, this casing is designed for the smallest available form factor, which is the Mini-ITX, but it can fit up to DTX sizes as well. You know what else is cool? This thing can be built in two different ways, the standing up version and the lying down version. Unfortunately, we couldn't show you the lying down part, so if you want to know more details, do check it out at the official website. Now that we are done with the introduction, let's head on inside. Let me introduce you to its internal organs. So first up, we have the brain, also known as the processor. Oi, cameraman! How to see under the cooler? Look here lah, hiya! This time, we'll be on team red to match ROG's colors. This is the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. This processor features the AMD Zen 3 core architecture with 8 cores and 16 threads, as well as a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a max boost clock up to 4.7 GHz. So now that we covered the brain, let's move on to the nervous system, also known as the motherboard. What we have right here is the ROG Strix B550-I, an ITX form factor motherboard. I mean, look at it, it is the size of my hand. Even this box is so small and cute. Anyway, this thing features AMD's AM4 socket, so we can plug our 5th gen Ryzen CPU into it. It's PCIe 4.0 ready, which gets double the throughput from PCIe 3.0. It has onboard Wi-Fi 6 for super fast internet, or if you are the old school LAN is the best type, there's also 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for super speedy connection. Now for all the PC noobs out there who have low tech IQ like me, this motherboard has all the features that makes your life easier for you. First up is AI networking, which helps you optimize your internet with just one click. And best of all, their UEFI BIOS utility has easy mode, so you can see and tweak all the most important settings on a single page. So you don't have to break down and cry while flipping through the manual trying to figure out how to not kill your PC. Also, if your house has all types of noise pollution like dog bark lah, hair dryer lah, vacuum lah, baby cry lah, rest assured that the B550i has the AI noise cancelling system to filter out all that crap so your teammates won't report you for griefing. And of course, it has Aura Sync to sync up with all of my other ROG peripherals. Anything with RGB is always good in my books. Graphics card? Hiya, this Tough Gaming 3070 OC has already been reviewed by my 老板 Yang Xiaoting. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys and girls can check it out. So anyways, I already talked until macam yes, right? So let's see what this little baby can do. Cue the benchmarks! How? Not bad, right? And all of that performance within such a small machine. Imagine something of this size could fit a 3-slot graphic card, an ATX PSU, and up to 4 SSDs. Or you can have 2 SSDs and 1 HDD if you prefer to. What's the secret? Well, the 11-in Z11 represents the angle of the motherboard tray, which is tilted 11 degrees to create more space for cable management. It also has a built-in extension hub where you can connect up to 6 PWM fans and 3 adjustable RGB fans or LED strips. and it comes with an extra USB 2.0 port to make your life easier during assembly. So what do you think? Good things do come in small packages, right? Small yet sensational. If you're looking to get an ITX build next, then you know what to get lah. And if you want that chili padi performance, I recommend you all to get the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and ROG Strix B550-I motherboard. I'm going to leave all the links down below, so do check it out yourself. And please, 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 please don't PM me. Hey bro, you got sell a PC eh? I may look like a salesman, but I'm just a humble shoutcaster and streamer. Anyways guys, this is KBCSensei signing off for this video. Peace out.